So, ayan guys, good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa immigration. Finally guys, finally I'm done my transaction. I finished my paper to transfer my residence guys. Thank you so much. Talaga yung final. Good morning guys! Finally on call on duty now. So, nandito na tayo guys. Ayan, nalalate na tayo. So, on call tayo sa duty. Papasok na tayo. First day of work guys. Thank you. First day sa work natin ngayon. So, ayan. Welcome to a new job. So guys, yes, welcome na ako dito guys. So ngayon, pupunta na tayo doon. Akit tayo sa taas. My new job. Thank you for watching. So this is the name of my salon. Yes guys, welcome to second floor. Levant. Yeah. First day of work guys, first day of work. Sakay ng elevator. Ayun. So yan guys, mag-welcome tayo dito. May electric pass. First day of work, kailangan natin may baon. Here we are. Welcome to Levant Salon. Good morning. Ito na guys. Welcome to Levant Salon. Yes, I'm here now. Welcome, Levant Salon.